guys, I am preparing my baby's food. This is malunggay and squash. And then chicken drumstick. I boiled it first and remove and then after I boil this, I will throw the water and change again new. And then I need to outfit first, and then I will throw the water. Wash. I will also wash the chicken. Oh, it's so it's hot, but I need to wash it. And then here, boiled again. No. I need to boil it again. So it's boiled already, guys. See? How ganito. And then I will put squash. I will also put these malunggay leaves. This is medicine, famous in the Philippines. Look at that, it's boiling. Meron pa rin siya ng bula. Still have bubbles. So I need to reduce the fire. Wait lang. Ay, why it's moving? If we move to the other house, guys, we will buy a nice pot for my baby. Because I and my husband planning to move to the other condominium. Because the house here, our room here is very small. So we want to move to a bigger room. So I don't know if when we are going to move out, I will just update you guys if when I need to remove this. This is from vegetable and chicken. I have already washed it, but still have bubbles. I think it's normal, right? It's boiling. And then I'm gonna prepare the... My baby is watching. I will just use my hand. Nahugasan ko na yung rice. Tapos, hatiin ko yung sabaw nito. Reserve ko for tomorrow. I will preserve it for tomorrow. Wait lang, bebe. Wait for mommy, okay? Mommy is cooking your food. I will put it here. And then, yung rice. Ba't kaya parang madumi? And the little one said, okay. Lagay ko na yung rice. It looks dirty and messy, guys, but it's clean. You know? This already have a little bit rice. I will boil it and then I will transfer it here in rice cooker.